Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back today for another video. This time we're going to be doing the closeout budget for my July paycheck too. I know it's a little late in the game, but it took me a while to get to this video, and you'll see why. So if you enjoy videos about budgeting and designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a minute. Okay, so here we go. I of course went ahead and ran through the closeout. Let's go ahead and get these real numbers in there. Okay, so we of course spent $300 on envelopes. Charter was $79.99. Geico was $177.71. T-Mobile was $161.43. And I think this was with the extra $30 that came from my new phone that I got. My mom just got a new phone and I pay our phone bill, so it'll be going up probably by another $15. So you'll see that reflected in the next paycheck. Hit something. Okay, hope everything sounds right. Sorry if it doesn't. Next we have gym, which is $10.81. We have Netflix, which is $15 and I believe it's 14 cents. Metro is 20 because I just take out a 20. Travel is 25. Business is 85. House was, I think house ended up being 200. Honestly, I'm not sure. I am making some moves to, I know I actually took out the 164 for debt, but I don't think I actually put that in there. That's going to be 10. School loans was actually 40. Macy's got 50. Visa got 100. 80 for my hair, my taxes, and my school loans, and savings got 167. So let's see what we actually got at the end. Okay, so let's start adding some stuff up. So we got 300 plus 80, oops, already. 79.99 plus 177.71 plus 161.43 plus 10.81 plus 15.14 plus 20 plus 25 plus 85 plus 200 plus 164 plus 10 plus 40 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 167 equals 1686.08, which is 1688. Guys, 1686.66 leaves us with $1.34. Honestly, I'm just going to charge that to the game and keep it. And that is why I didn't have much going on with this paycheck. It was really quick, pretty straightforward. I have started looking for a house, and so because of that, money is moving around pretty quickly and things like that, and I'm ready to go on board, aggressively putting towards and committing to finding a house in this wild house market in Texas. So that's it for this paycheck. Nothing to move, no extra cash to distribute anywhere. We're just pretty much where we are. So thanks for watching. I hope you all had at least some money left over for from your paychecks or from your budgeting, and that your month helped you reach all of your goals. So go ahead and hit that subscribe guide button, and I will see you all in our next video. Bye bye.